¡Cuchillo! ¡Vente ese cuchillo! Behindert? Vollspacken, Alter! Fick dich! Vollidiot!
James, watch and learn.
Man, what the hell? Oi! Did you see the way you turned? You just caught me right in front. Oi! I'm talking to you. Did you see how you turned? I'm talking to you, motherfucker. Wait! Are you not going to even apologize? You fucking almost killed me. Thanks for that pass, jackass. Hey. Do the camera right here. Try it. Try it. Got your license plate. Right here. Right here. It's all right here. It's all right here. The fuck? You can't park there, lad.
YR03UHD. I hope you don't need your licence for work, because that's going to cost you some points. It's illegal to drive on the pavement and park on it and block it. What do you think of the roads there, son? Alright then. You know what I mean? At least he's fucking apologetic. Yo mate, that's a footpath and a cycle path, not a car park.
Yes, I can.
So it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I can deliver it.
You can't park there. Well, it's alright. Well, I'll report it to the police.
Hold on.
Well, you're going to get points, ain't you? And on your licence. And you're a professional driver.
I don't care. You call them. I just deliver it.
Yeah,
I'm not parking 1 hour, 2 hours.
It doesn't matter. It's illegal to drive on the pavement in England.
Yeah, what are you doing, huh?
Huh?
What are you going to do?
This is a cycle path.
Yeah, I don't care.
I'm going to report it, someone do.
Hold on.
This is England, mate.
Do that.
Have you read the highway code?
I don't care.
Well, obviously you don't care. See ya.
Fuck off. What the fuck?
You drive on your way.
What?
Can you pass? Let's pass the car.
What do you mean? I'm allowed. It's filtering.
Yeah, but you don't pass me. You pass there. You pass me at 20.
I'm allowed.
Yeah, we are looking. Drive on 14.
Fuck off. Fucking cunt. I've got your license plate. I've got your license plate. I've got your license plate. What the fuck are you doing? Alright, pull over. I have no problem.
What's the problem? Why you follow me?
Because you said pull over.
I didn't say pull over. No problem to what? No problem to what? No problem to what? I said to you, let pass somebody. We're driving at 20 miles an hour.
I'm doing 32. I'm doing 32.
You can't just let pass somebody. Somebody asking you, let him pass.
I'm allowed to fit. It's called filtering.
It doesn't matter. We are driver.
I'm allowed to
let you pass. I let you pass. If you can't let me pass, let me pass.
You
just want to pass.
Well, which bit are you on about? The first time or the second time?
You're fast, you're everything, man. Be careful,
Look,
man.
yeah, I'm just saying. Which time are you on about?
I know you are low.
No,
it's a right to you to drive like that. I'm a low. I'm driving a scooter too.
Yeah, okay.
So I'm
No.
picking the kid.
Yeah,
Driving
I know.
30,
I know.
20.
Just.
I just said to you, just pass on the small. Come on, man.
Yeah, I know. Okay, okay. Just which bit are you on about? The roundabout or the bit before?
Before.
Yeah. Okay. Just explain that bit, please.
Sure.
Yeah. It's all right. I just didn't understand what you were saying.
I didn't say you was wrong.
Yeah. Okay.
Be on the first.
Yeah.
No, it's normal to drive. Safety is okay. But I just say, brother, please, just a bit. It's been passed, and then you carry on. That's it.
Yeah.
You couldn't do that.
All right. Yeah.
Okay, sorry to shout.
Yeah. It's all right. I got angry too. Yeah. Have a good day.
You have a good day, man.
See ya. Vollidiot, Alter! puta cuchillo. Eso le digo, marica, suelta el cuchillo. Suelta el hijo de puta cuchillo. Suelta el cuchillo. Suelta el cuchillo. No le va a hacer nada a la moto, no le va a hacer nada a la moto, que la moto no tiene nada que ver. Ya me iba a cerrar, ya me iba a tumbar. ¿Ah? Suelta ese cuchillo, suelta ese cuchillo. Suelta ese cuchillo. Suelta el hijo de puta cuchillo. O sea... Yeah, this is a motorcycle parking. You know, you're blocking the way. I'm saying, man, it's a double yellow line, you're blocking the motorcycle parking. Motorcycle parking! Well, that's where we're meant to park. What if somebody else comes in, wanting a space? You're blocking it, man. Come on. You what? I can't hear you. Oh, really? Fucking hell, man. Fucking phone. What a cock, man.